Hi there, Assalamu alaikum, everyone Ramadan Mubarak. Today I'm going to show you how to charge your mobile phone faster. By following these simple steps, you can make your mobile phone charge more efficiently and faster. Step 1. Ensure your mobile phone is connected to a power source. Make sure you're using a wall charger or a compatible charging cable and that your mobile phone is plugged into an outlet. Step 2. Turn off your mobile phone. This will help prevent any accidental charges when the phone is in use. Step 3. Choose the right charging cable. Most mobile phones come with the charging cable that is compatible with the manufacturer's recommended charger. If you have a different cable, make sure that it is safe and certified for use with your phone. Step 4. Place your mobile phone on a flat, stable surface while charging. This will help the cable align with the charging port and improve the charging efficiency. Step 5. Turn your mobile phone on and off a few times during the charging process. This will help the battery warm up and improve the overall charging speed. Step 6. Wait for the charging light to cycle. Most mobile phones will display the charging progress on the screen. Once the charging light turns off, your mobile phone is fully charged. And that's it. By following these steps, you can charge your mobile phone faster and more efficiently. Happy charging!